Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming 3 essentials so the rest works smoothly. First, make sure your carrier and plan support Volte, otherwise nothing will enable. Next, update the phone system and carrier settings so new Volte profiles install. Finally, verify the active SIM is in the primary slot and rated for LTE. Once those are done, unlock the phone, open settings, and move directly to network settings. This is where you activate the VoLTE toggle and link voice over LTE to your SIM. You'll now change detailed network options so calls route over LTE. From settings, choose connections, then mobile networks. Tap the active SIM to expose VoLTE options. Turn on the VoLTE calls toggle. This routes voice traffic over LTE for clearer calls and faster setup. Make sure network mode includes LTE, such as LTE/3G/2G Auto Connect, so data and voice can coexist. If you use dual SIMs, repeat for the correct slot. After enabling, restart the phone to apply the carrier profile cleanly. You're at the finish line. Confirm VoLTE is active by checking the status bar for a VoLTE or HD call icon. If you don't see it, first toggle airplane mode or reboot again, because profiles sometimes need a fresh registration. Next, power off, remove and reset the SIM, then verify APN and carrier updates. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear conflicts, and make sure your carrier has provisioned VoLTE on your account. Call them if the phone shows everything enabled, but calls still.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.